can you turn off the Apple Watch sound when working out? Let me show you a couple of methods you have. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. So, of course, you can go to the control center on the Apple Watch and enable the silent mode, which will not let any notifications or sounds play, no matter if you're working out or not, and that is like a general solution. However, I believe that there is something even a little bit better, because on the watch itself, you can go to the control center as well and click on the moon icon for the do not disturb mode, or like the focus mode really. And this gives you some options on the specific types of the focus modes. Usually I mostly use the sleep one when I go to bed and I want to keep my Apple Watch on my wrist for the tracking, right? So in that case, I turn on the sleep focus mode and it limits the sounds and interruptions and notifications for that purpose. But you can see that there is also a dedicated fitness focus mode, and you can enable it before you start working out. You can turn it on indefinitely for 1 hour or until evening, whatever. But that is the point, that it will also make the phone behave, the Apple Watch behave differently, and it will limit some unnecessary interactions, sounds, or whatever, right? So that is how it could be set up, right? Obviously, you can also change the way it specifically works on your devices, because you can see that you can go to your main settings app of the iPhone, tap on the focus, and choose like different settings for the different modes. So here you can find the fitness, which we mentioned, and you can see that you can decide which people can get in touch with you and which not. And yeah, I also have like different options for that, silencing notifications, whatever, right? So that's how you can set it up, and that's actually a great feature which I really like to use. Now let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.